If WhatsApp calls are not being displayed on the screen on Samsung Galaxy A57, let me show you what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna open settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we want to go to apps. Now in here in apps, we're gonna search for WhatsApp. There we go. And once you open it, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to notifications. In here, you want to make sure that notifications are enabled for WhatsApp. You can also check settings, notification settings inside the WhatsApp app. If you go to settings in WhatsApp, you should be able to find a couple of notification settings and you want to make sure that they are set up as well. Besides that, permissions are, of course, also important. So as you can see, I have a bunch of permissions that are not allowed to be used by the app. And of course, we should be able to grant these permissions for WhatsApp to ensure that it works properly. Now, of course, not all of these permissions are really necessary in order to make it work, but of course, just in case, we can set up everything or almost everything. So I'm gonna make sure that everything here is enabled, maybe except for location. I'm pretty sure location is not really necessary to make it work, but I'm gonna also enable everything else over here. There we go. And now, in theory at least, it should work just fine. Another thing that you can do if WhatsApp still doesn't work properly, I mean if calls are not showing up on the screen, you can force stop the app over here. There we go. Then you want to go to the storage and you want to clear the data. Now keep in mind that before you actually do clear the data, you will be signed out of your account, which means that, for example, you might lose your messages, and unless you make a backup. So of course, make sure to make a backup before you do so, and make sure that you remember your password to your account and so on and so forth. Everything that is necessary, of course, to be able to sign into your account. Make sure that you can do that. Because if we clear the data, then of course everything is going to be removed. And once you clear the data, you want to reopen the app and of course see if now it works. If it still doesn't work, you want to completely uninstall the app, which you can do, for example, in here as well, but also you can do that from the app drawer. If you press and hold your finger on the app, you can find the uninstall option, and then you want to install it again. Of course, this, just like in the case of clearing the data, it also means that you will have to sign into your account again and so on and so forth. So backup, of course, remember to back up everything that is important and make sure that you can actually log into your account. You can sign in back into your account. And also make sure that the Do Not Disturb mode is not activated on your phone. So if you have the D&D mode activated, then of course you might not be able to see calls as well. And that is pretty much it. So yeah, make sure that the D&D mode is not on. Leave a like and subscribe.